What's up, everyone? We're full.
All right, I picked this one and I'm opening this one, so let's see if I can keep the flyer going.
Here we go. Random team 12 is next. It's full. And then take your random teams 13. We're going to go on a random team run after this.
Okay, I can top that, though.
What a box. Random teams after this.
I don't think I can top that one.
Random 13 has spots. If anyone cares, Flawless Baseball got added. Do pack by pack.
Pack by pack? All right, I'll go pack by pack after this.
If anyone cares, Flawless Baseball's in the store.
Purple. Stephon Gilmore for the Patriots. Justin Jefferson, rookie. That's not what's it called.
No, you got to do yeah, like you got to do base and then
Inserts. Okay.
yeah, and then bad rookies.
Green scope of Ricky Williams for the Dolphins.
R.G. Wilson, I'm doing good.
I'm not even going to try.
Starving.
Orange. Grady Jarrett for the Falcons. Joshua Kelly, rookie. Chase Young, rookie. The Washington football team.
I'm trying to, yeah. I don't know why.
A red shimmer of Quinnen Williams for the Jets. Jake Fromm for the Bills. I'm not sure.
Oh.
The Dolphins. Silver rookie for Otto. And I know he's on my Dolphins, but I can't remember how to pronounce his last name. Raekwon Davis for the Dolphins.
Rookie over there you put.
No.
Gibson rookie.
Gibson rookie.
Random is next. 12 is full. Bosh, go to 13 on the random. Go to
Mims
13.
Emergent. Blue shimmer of DJ Moore for the Panthers.
To 25.
Kinlaw and Huntley rookies.
Random 12 their spot, or 13 their spots. 12 is
Why
full.
do we have two red shimmers in here? Oh, it's an auto. It's a red shimmer auto coming up here. The Broncos. Oh. Ojemudia.
Jack, no, it's not.
Judy rookie. Anthony Jennings rookie. Is it one red shimmer auto for?
No, there's guaranteed shimmers.
Just a red shimmer base, right?
Red, blue. Chase Young emergent.
Chase Young. Red wave of Kyle Rudolph. Rookies of Kenneth Murray and Devin Asasi.
All right, this box is completely abysmal.
This is complete opposite of our last.
Justin's. This box is absolutely atrocious, is what it is. We're going to start calling out base cards out of second, third year base.
Sweat.
To 175.
175.
It's another beauty right there.
Edwards-Helaire. Andy Golden. Silver. Oh, man, this box is bad.
This is the worst box of the day. Seriously.
Did a good job backing up my best box of the day. I balanced the two out. Miles Jack. CJ Henderson, Logan Wilson rookies. Yeah, I know. Time to bench. I can pick. I can't.
Boo.
You got a silver in here.
Boo. Boo.
Oh, God. Dallas. God, this is so bad.
What about this?
Jesus.
This is the in 20 plus boxes.
DJ Dallas.
This box wins the worst box of the day. Yeah, Mondel. I have no relation to him. He's from Hawaii. He doesn't even live here. I have no relation to him. I don't know who he is. He literally just walked in and just sat down. I don't know who he is.
Jalen Hurts rookie.
I know his name. That's about it. He's from Hawaii, and that's about it. And he works in real estate. That's it. That's all I know.
Hurts and IU.
But yeah, Mondel. That's it. I'll keep it at that. I have no idea who that is. Hooks will verify for that. All right, folks. Here's your beautiful recap. Here is your award-winning recap of one of the worst boxes you'll see of this product.
Should have skipped the recording on this. This freaking stinker.
Here it is. This box was a flat-out winner.
I mean, this Hurts base might be the best card of the entire break. This is bad. Sorry, people.
Tiger, it's protocol. We got to do it, Tiger. It's protocol. Trust me. I don't want to do it, but yeah, it's protocol.
Here we go. Once again, the hit of the break right here. Future starting quarterback for the Philadelphia Eagles. God, that's so bad.
You're getting needled by the whole shit.
No, I should be getting needled.
Yeah, the title of the break is Prizm 2020 Prizm FYT 1 box number 18. Why have an update? Tiger, you are being funny, dude.
I can take it. Don't worry, I can take it.
All right, we move on to random teams.
But I pulled the box with the green scope in it for you, no way. So.
Oh, you see what Hook said? Cut me a pineapple.
Ooh, that was terrible. What's the next round? I'm gonna jump to the next random.
Oh my God.
What's up, Roth?
Hobbies are in the store, I guess. I'm seeing people check out. Some hobbies are in the store.
I'm getting destroyed over here for good reason. What's the next?
Hold on, we're full. Let's just do this first.
And what's the next random up after this?
13.
13. One by a spot. I want to.
It might be full.
It's okay. I'll buy a spot in something. I want a little bit of action on this.
13 is no, it's full.
Not buying 14 then.
All right, we're going on a random run.